God, this is good.
All right, YouTube, I'm hungry, and today we're going to do like an unboxing. This here, right? This here is from a company. It's called BarkBox.com. All right, BarkBox.com is like a mystery box, and I got the Super Chewer, right? So I went there. I don't know, like 3-4 weeks ago. You know, I said my dog deserves some stuff, right? I don't know what to get the dog. So BarkBox.com is the mystery box. What I did was right after I went there, I messaged them. I said, listen, I don't want no peanuts. Don't send my house peanuts. And they said they worked that out. So here's the website. I'm going to put a link in the description where you can go check it out yourself. But let's get this box open. All right, guys, this is it. This is the Super Chewer by BarkBox. This box cost me $40, basically. All right. My first box, you know, the whole box is 9 by 7.5 by 4. All right. Let's get this box open and see what's going on inside. All right. Invasion of the Megabites. All right. Maybe I get some stuff that looks like that. I don't know. Gives me a nice little storyboard to follow. Okay. What is this guy? Welcome to the Super Chewer. All right. Those are some cool looking pictures, and it looks like more propaganda for me. All right. More propaganda. All right. Remember, I asked them to send me stuff that was peanut free. Let's see. I got this toy here. All right. Kind of hard. But that's all right. You know, it's really hard. See what this guy has. I like that it comes all with this stuff. It says it's smoked hickory scented. Ah, for my channel, that's pretty good. I like smoked hickory scented. Not really, I don't smell it. We might have to stick this into the cold smoker and see what's going on. All right, well that works. That works. All right, kind of cool. Look at this guy. I guess this is his package there. You know, he looks like he moves around. You know, it's a little difficult to move, but it looks like it moves. Oh, more Bark logos on it, so this is their own toys, right? Let's read about him. It says, add a treat to the inner chamber. Hold on. Oh my goodness. It has it. It has an inner chamber. Kind of smells like peanuts though. But look at that. It has an inner chamber. Let's see what this has. Hold on. That's the wrong kind of microchip. Alright. What else we got in here? Let's start at the beginning. Peanut butter scented. Huh. Well, I don't know if that's going to have peanuts in it or not. I guess we'll have to see about that one. This one might have to go over there because I might have to throw it away because my son can't have peanut butter. Alright, well there's no tag with this one, so we'll just stick it over here for now. What is this? 100% dog treat. Look at this, says it's chicken. No, it doesn't say chicken, it says it's beef. Huh. What has this got in it? Ingredients. Ingredients is just beef, huh? That's what it says. Look, ingredients is beef. What is this? This better be some beef jerky. No, it's not just dried beef. What else is in there? There's got to be more in there. I don't know. It really doesn't tell me a whole lot besides the ingredients being beef. All right. Now what is up with this one? This is lamb. All right. This actually looks like dehydrated lamb, but I bet you it has more in there. Let's see what it has. It says ingredients: lamb, pea flour, chickpeas, coconut, a whole bunch of words that I don't know how to say. But there you go. You know, lamb. Oh, this here is a pork stick. You know, we like pork here, boy. Yes, we do. Now I gotta check the ingredients. I don't see nuts or anything my son's allergic to, so that's good. And then we got a beef stick. No ingredients. Oh, there they are. Looks like we can have everything. Oh, look at that. The wrench. This one says natural smoke sensor. Alright. Going all so far. As long as my son can have this, like, not that he's going to put it in his mouth, but, you know, if Peanuts were to touch him, he'll break out and could have to have an EpiPen. So, I guess we're going to have to figure out this toy before I can do anything with it, I guess. But, the toy itself is kind of cool. I wonder how long it's going to take my pit bull to get through this. We're going to wait and see. Let's look down here. What else have we got in here? That's it. But look, this little container here is kind of cool, you know. Tells me all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to have to call them and figure it out. It'd be cool though if they had this. And that somehow was the box they sent it to me in the mail then. Instead of like I opened the box and all this stuff is just in there. But, you know, we get what we got. You know, $40. This is our loot for $40. You know, to me, not having to go to the store, maybe having a couple new toys for my dog, a couple treats, $40. I'm not sure yet. It depends on if the dog plays with it or not. There you go. Talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.